Si Sandro, sinasabi niya na wala naman daw bayaran na nangyayari, wala naman daw bribery. Even Barbers is saying na wala naman daw bribery. Ang dami na pong kongresista na umamin na kailangan nilang bumoto in order for them to get funds. Ano ba yan? That they are voting for the impeachment of they supported the impeachment complaint against Inday Sara simply because they needed funds. Huwag tayong maglokohan dito, Diyos ko. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo talaga na patahimikin yung bribery issue diyan, yung diyan yung hindi magkakaroon ng special access sa funds ang bumoto sa impeachment ni Inday, para maniwala kami sa inyo, buksan niyo yung book of accounts ninyo. 'Di ba? Remember, kayo dyan sa House of Representatives, you gave yourselves additional funds for 2023, 2024, 2025. Billions of money. Unexplained kung para saan. Unexplained your purpose. Hindi namin alam kung saan nyo gagamitin yan.